Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kini kilong ki khubor ba mentai kasngi jong ka khat new trik Rizau Arajar Arpuar ka Sngap Syiem College mau kerwat Southwest Castles District mentai kasngi kalayo ban nekmen ban rakhi ye ka jingyo ban itu ye ka Sngap Syiem College ka kyrdan B grade B lingba da ka National Assessment and Accreditation Council NAAC Bangalore ha ka ba u Dr WR Kharlukhi MP jong ka Rajya Sabha ula longkum u kongsan kani ka jing itu ye ka Sngap Syiem College ka grade B kalong ka jingker khu bar ka jingkmen om tang ye kinong hikai ki samla puli re ka dong ka than bad ek district hi baro ka we
Lekit kamaro haki we muntah kani ke MR sikiro yaki kamang so yejan ba i dikremen ba ma iru insikyalam na kunta jingkit bat jingkit li lang ya kan na kunta kani college tin mar kita kani ko kani college tama po chisnam nilayo no iki affiliation nilayo yang grand age ad hoc run nilayo center of examination nilala man paile yang kena domina kani college sabik center tin mar kita komunos dang yang college Nuslo kumene makanya college la kiew ta but menunjukkan mau ke college wa menolong unohikai ke Posilong College dan principal di Posilong College menunjuk I'm assume yang ini principal di bahagian jomah but mentah tentang ba nilapoi yang ini kyrdan ini nanti bangun pathun tam hai ni bi hapar menolong principal Posilong College nilayo bagi kermen ba college kadang buat na yang ada A grade ini why ba Posilong College tu kadang buat biang yang ada A grade kumba lumpau dari kata doktor dua county long bati pastor ini beres ayoknya long presiden nohikai ketua apa Sinod College long kobring number hapturu Pikermen roba Sinod College tu kan buat biang yang A grade Pikermen roba lagi trace tong lang baro jong ikimi ikpa jong ini sen halang ofer kantam kini pas student nadu UMBC ko president yang menjadi alumni association ini kermen ba kani college kanang kiew na kawai kyrdan siya kawai pat kyrdan
ha kani kasmi kaba phile kemen ha kaba phile yo khet tu so kemen hadin assessment jong ka National Assessment Accreditation Council haba liyo degree ngai redir melong long hikai pastor yo ilong presiden yang body jongi Sinod College Kopor bagus kong tuh hai ke jikmen joki namar habngi yo il grading baro kino hikai kina school om tang kemen isno sarong ngangan kerpa ini ba maintain your grade and kum ngatrai kini kawai nanti ayu joki arise and shine sagni jaga kapag kendong tang hagari ke jong hoi pidon bok Dr. Kyrdan long principal ng Sngap College bila experience ay dinikam Reverend York kapan principal wa kinohikai nga ability kajing kerku play try kamrat bahagaway assessment at try in poy ke grade nangta nganong hindi ba hot kibon ki university haga perthai kibo mananam kum ki ong ka Oxford University ka Harvard University ka Delhi University hangi India JNU kibai drai ong MP kam tam ni khna school Komdon Kuwait University ke palat Ya kata ke university ke HW University. Lawan guys, ke Hard Rock University. Kata ke university, ke tam na Borok University. Manong ipi, ani thu ipi ko ipi thu kena.
Of higher secondary school, you are the backbone of our existence. Your school are our feeders. Your students are our students. We salute your contribution in the education sector, and on behalf of the college, we acknowledge and appreciate your support in sending your students to pursue studies here. I assure you that the college will always supportive to you in time of need, and I will send my colleague to interact with you and your students to know more about the courses that we offer in this college, and to build a strong and cordial relationship in the years to come. To our traditional head, Orang Baksham, you are the source of motivation. Your contribution and support will always make this institution grow in the years to come. To our officers in the district, we acknowledge and appreciate your support